Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives on Lenovo TAB M8. And to do this you will need to get the RAR app. I shown you previously on how to download it. Now we can open the app, locate the files you want to extract, click on it, then click on the arrow pointing up button. You'll enter extraction options. You can customize any of the settings, but it's not necessary. I'm just gonna go with browse to choose different designation where files will be extracted. Click on OK, then OK again, and the files should extract right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.